Welcome back to the world of leather crafting. Today we're excited to introduce our brand new leather kit featuring a stylish 2-bottle wine holder. This is perfect for beginners, and this kit is not only easy to assemble but highly customizable, so you can add your own unique touch to every project. Let's get started. Your kit comes with 4 pieces of veg tan leather in varying thicknesses and 10 Chicago screws in various sizes. The only tool required is a flathead screwdriver. Because this leather is veg tan, you are able to tool, stamp, and dye it, as you can see here. When you do so, please note that the visible parts will be on the holder pieces at the handle end by the 2 Chicago screws on each piece. This isn't a large space, but you can fit some neat designs. To start assembling, first place the holder pieces together, grain sides together. Then place the core piece between them, opposite the handles. You can do this grain up or grain down. Take 2 medium Chicago screws and connect these 3 pieces together. You can add some Loctite to the threads to make sure they stay together even longer. For the next step, fold the leather handle ends up to meet the holes at the end, and using small Chicago screws, connect them together on both sides. Your piece should look about like this when you've finished this step. Next, using a medium length Chicago screw, connect the 2 holders and core through the remaining holes, going through all 3 layers. Finally, install the handle grip by laying the flat side against the top of the handle and wrapping it around the bottom. Using the long Chicago screws, go through the 4 layers as shown here. Wrap the rest of the handle grip around and insert the screw back side of the Chicago screw to lock it in place. With that, your project is complete. An additional step you can take to really make this special would be to wet form the bottom to create a flat surface. Simply wet the leather inside the holder and add a bottle. Wait until it dries and you are set. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. Now grab your kit and start crafting your very own custom wine holder. Until next time, happy crafting.